Okay, this is my quick review of paid surveys at home. My name's Andrew. I've been online for about 14 years now. I'm a programmer, an internet marketer, and a graphic designer. Um, a couple years ago, I got back into internet marketing really deep. Actually, it was my mom that wanted to get into the home surveys, the paid surveys. It really depends where you are. I mean, like, are you in the US? If you're in Canada, I'm up in Canada, and the surveys are kind of sparse. I mean, one, two, maybe. And then they want to give you points and things like that. I did my research. This actually has a lot of good feedback. People actually quite like it. Test it out. I mean, check it out. I mean, I've tested them out. I found a couple good ones. I mean, I haven't found that big one, but I mean, you definitely test it out. You make that criteria, like if you got to sit there for 4 hours and you're doing like, $3 surveys, then it's just not worth it. If you're online trying to make some money, I've actually put a thing at the end of this video, so keep watching. I'm just going to show you for somebody who's new to online marketing. Check it out. Alternative definitely for beginners. If you're just starting online and you want to get a system that is proven and works, you got to check out Niche Profit Classroom. This place is awesome. When I first started doing the internet marketing, it took me about a year before I found this place. I went through countless programs, and they just always seemed to be missing something. Or if they were missing it, they definitely weren't shy to ask me for more money to give them so that they could teach me the next step. But I always felt like, there was something missing. But Niche Profit Classroom, you really got to check it out. In here, the major section here is they teach you how to be an affiliate marketer. And that's the #1 step for making money online, is become a good affiliate marketer. Then you become somebody that makes their own products and sells multiple products and does stuff like that. So that's, really the biggest step for somebody getting online, is making that first buck, right? So they teach you how to be, they have a quick shortcut, but they also have a mastery part where they teach you how to set up a really great sales page and all the other stuff. The videos are so simple, so easy, anybody can do it. They also have for multiple products, and this is for if you're going to have a membership site. They teach you it all. It's really great. They have software to make things really, really quick. Really great stuff, and it's all actually intertwined into this, so it's really great actually. Opt-in page, sales letter, mini courses. They teach you it all, the whole, everything you can need to know to make money online. Mastermind webinars, this is like they go beyond. They teach you video marketing and flipping websites and doing all sorts of stuff. They have webinars all the time. So there's some really great information. I actually was a bit impatient and I started doing videos, but I learned how to do my videos from here, and that's where I started making my first buck online. Then I went back and started doing, the niche sites and putting those together. They have question and answer coaching calls, and they actually go to people's websites and they, talk about it and help people out. You also get niche packs, which are really great because there's a billion niches out there, and they give you all the information, keywords, the pages you need. All you basically need to do is download and load it up, and then start doing some things with it. They also give you hosting. So a lot of these programs, they're like, oh yeah, here, come get my product, but they don't tell you, oh, by the way, you need hosting, you need this, you need that. These guys give you the hosting, so you have it all inclusive in here. They have an outsourcing section, which is really cool. What you can do is you can actually hire people and give them specific logins, and next thing you know, they can come in, watch the videos, and build your business from the ground up. So it's really great. I love this website because it's made me so much money since I started working online. I was about to give up until I found this place. It was really, I'm really excited and happy that I did find it. You can connect with me. I put a link if you want to connect with me, because I actually built my little how I started making money with this, so you can definitely come, and if you have any questions, you can email them to me. I've also given you a link where you can get this for $1 for the first month, which is really great because you can watch so many videos in a month and you're just going to be blown away. I definitely highly recommend that. Also, for the video, for the review that you watched at the beginning of this video, I put a link to them too. If I find any kind of discount or anything, I've definitely put it down in the description here. So make money online. Take it, do it. Get out there, get some content out there. That's what it's all about. Get some content. This, I can tell you, you will make money with this. If you just keep doing it and pounding it away the way they've taught it and the way they've laid it out, you will make money. Get some outsourcing after that. Start getting them to do the SEO and all that kind of stuff. So good luck, and I'll see you on the other side. Talk to you later.